Hello, good morning, students. EMTL students. Today's topic is Coulomb's law. What for this Coulomb's law? In which way it is useful? Yes, there are so many uses are there in our EMTL subject. We will learn slowly. Here, I mentioned in the image formula, Coulomb's law formula, as shown in the image. F is equal to K into Q1 into Q2 divided by R square. What is F? F is the electric force. How it is getting electric force? There are charges are there, maybe positive charges, negative charges, or one is positive or negative. Between them, some electric force will come. That force is indicated with capital F. Q1, Q2 means what? Two charges. Charge indicated with Q. That's why Q1 and Q2 mentioned. What is small r? Distance between two charges as shown in the image. What is K? Coulomb's law constant. How much this value? 9 into 10 power of 9 newtons dash m square divided by c square. Please look at the image. Here I am giving lot of explanation for clarification. First one, I have taken two like charges. Both are positive charges. Distance between them is small r. Here, both are like charges, that's why getting repulsion force. That F is the repulsion force. Next, I have taken, for example, both are negative charges. That means like charges only. Get distance between them r. That's why we are getting repulsion force as shown in the image. That is F is equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square. In the next step, I have taken unlike charges. That is, one is positive charge, Q1 is positive, Q2 is negative charge. What happened? Attraction force obtained here. Attraction force. See the arrow marks in the image, you can understand. One is positive, another one negative charge. Unlike charges producing attraction force. So, what is distance effect here? Or what is the role of distance that we will see? Charges are close together, then here their large force is obtaining. If R is the small, then large force obtaining. That you should remember as according to the formula also, according to the image also. Next, charges for far apart, దూరంగా ఉంటే, that means two times increased. Instead of 1 or 2 or I made it. Larger distance gives rise to smaller force. Smaller force, that means if force is become very, very weak. If distance becoming small, two times, that means what is happening? Force becomes 1 by 4 only. That you should remember. To conclude like this, Coulomb's law gives the force between two stationary electric charges. Like charges repel each other. Unlike charges attract each other. Bigger charges produce greater force. Greater distance gives smaller force. If distance becomes two times, force becomes 1 by 4th. Force acts along the straight line joining the charges. All these things beautifully furnished in the image. Look and enjoy. Yes, remember, my dear students, like charges will repel each other, unlike charges will attract each other. Large charge will produce large force, large distance will produce small force. You should understand this logic, then only magic will occur.